The first recipient of the Citizenship Award is Dr. Valerie Davidson.
I work in the area of food engineering, which is a specialization that bridges between food science and engineering. I have worked in process development and design, as well as research. Most of my innovative work has been multidisciplinary, such as applying fuzzy mathematics to process control in food operations. And when I was the NSERC Chair for Women in Science and Engineering, I worked closely with sociologists and psychologists to use their research methods and knowledge to better understand the barriers that prevented women from participating in engineering. And with that knowledge, we were able to develop effective strategies for change. I think there were a number of factors that led me to my role as a champion for women in engineering. The first would be my work on the Canadian Committee on Women in Engineering. We had public forums across the country to listen to women tell their stories about studying and working in engineering. In the end, the committee made a number of reports for educators, employers, and provincial associations. In 2003, I had the opportunity to become the NSERC Chair for Women in Science and Engineering for Ontario. And this was an opportunity that gave me a chance to work within the province as well as across Canada. And I also have developed two important networks to expand the impact of our work. The first is a national collaboration of the regional chairs for women in science and engineering, and the second is the Ontario Network of Women in Engineering. As a result of the outreach programs that ONWE offers, there are more women studying engineering programs across Canada. We've raised awareness about what courses to consider in high school, and then some of those young women have gone on to study engineering. We clearly have a ways to go in terms of increasing the representation of women in engineering, and I will continue to support efforts to do so, but I'm really happy that others have stepped forward to take leadership in this effort. And there are many working on the 30 by 30 goal, which is to see 30% of newly licensed engineers are women by the year 2030. This will be a significant accomplishment.
For her continuous and meaningful contributions to creating a more inclusive profession, engineer Valerie Davidson is being recognized with the Citizenship Award.